In this video, I'll show you everything you need to know about creating and managing dashboards in Monday.com. Let's start by understanding what Monday.com dashboards actually are. Dashboards are your central command center, where you can display important information from all your projects in a single, organized view. Think of them as your project overview hub. They pull data from multiple boards and present it using over 30 different widgets and apps. This gives you a high-level view of project progress, budgets, team workload, and much more, all in one place. Now let me show you how to create your first dashboard. It's really simple. You have two ways to do this. First, you can click the plus button directly below your workspace name and select New Dashboard. Alternatively, if you want to organize things better, you can add a dashboard to a specific folder by clicking the three-dot menu within any folder, then selecting Create in Folder, and choosing New Dashboard. Both methods work great depending on how you want to organize your workspace. When creating your dashboard, you'll need to decide on the visibility settings. You have two options here, public or private dashboards. If you choose public, everyone in your account will be able to see and access this dashboard. This is great for company-wide metrics or team updates. Private dashboards, on the other hand, are only visible to you and specific team members you invite. This is perfect for sensitive information or departmental data that shouldn't be shared with everyone. Here's where the magic happens: configuring your dashboard to show exactly what you need. Your dashboard pulls data from connected boards, so you'll need to choose which boards to connect first. Then you can start adding widgets. These are the building blocks that display your data. You can add charts, tables, progress bars, and many other widget types. You'll also want to arrange the layout so everything flows logically and is easy to read at a glance. It's important to understand dashboard limits to keep everything running smoothly. Monday.com has some capacity restrictions you should know about. Your dashboard can handle up to 20,000 total items across all connected boards. That includes regular items, subitems, and linked items. You can also add up to 30 different widgets, though text widgets don't count toward this limit. The number of boards you can connect depends on your plan. Free plans get 1 board, Standard gets 5, Pro gets 20, and Enterprise gets 50 connected boards. Once your dashboard is created, you can easily make changes anytime. Look for the Edit button located in the center of your screen, right above your widgets. When you click this, you'll enter Edit mode, where you can add new widgets, remove existing ones, resize them, or move them around to create the perfect layout. When you're satisfied with your changes, simply click back to View mode to see your dashboard in action. Sometimes you need to focus on specific data, and that's where dashboard filters come in handy. Click the funnel filter icon in the top right corner of your dashboard. This opens up powerful filtering options. You can use quick filters to filter by board, group, or any column in your connected boards. For more complex needs, advanced filters let you set up custom conditions. You can apply multiple filters simultaneously, and they'll work together to show you exactly the data you need. Finally, let's talk about sharing your beautiful dashboard with others. Monday.com makes this really simple. You can share dashboards with both internal team members and external partners. You have several options. You can export your dashboard as a file, use presentation mode to display it full screen during meetings, or share access directly through the platform's permission system. This flexibility means your dashboard can serve multiple purposes, from daily team check-ins to client presentations. And that's it. You now know how to create, configure, and share powerful dashboards in Monday.com. These dashboards will help keep your team focused on high-level goals and boost overall productivity. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Monday.com tutorials.